In this process, we'll create a case for the ad hoc service. Then from the case, we'll create a service order, and then schedule an appointment and so forth. It will be the same process afterwards as it was in the previous video. In order to create a case, we'll go to our support module and then click on New Case. Let's select the same business account. Then we'll select the contact, fill in the subject line and press Save. Now we can assign a new owner to the case. Here, if we want to assign it to someone else, that can be done. We can even assign it to ourselves. Once we do, we can generate a service order for our staff. On the other hand, we have some assignment rules that can be applied under Actions. These rules are created so the system automatically assigns someone to the case every time a new case comes in. Now let's go to Actions and click on Create Service Order. While creating a service order, we can select what service order type we want to create. In other words, we can maintain different order types and to whom we want to assign these service orders. So under Details, let's click on Add Items to add a new service item. And then let's select Air Conditioner Repair Service. Now this flow is for the equipment that aren't sold under warranty. This means that for each service we will need to send an invoice to the customer for the amount that they will need to pay. So let's go back to our example in which we are providing this air conditioner repair service to our customer. Start by selecting the target equipment that will be serviced. That is why we have the equipment that was sold before selected here. Now that we have created a service order and we have selected a relevant service as well as tagged our target equipment, we can proceed to schedule our appointment to notify our service engineer about the job. Once we click on Schedule, the system will automatically copy all the details from the service order to the Appointment tab. Now go to the Staff tab and click on Add Staff to assign the appointment to someone. Don't forget to click Save. As we mentioned in the last video, by opening the Actions drop-down, you will be able to send an email that notifies the appropriate staff member. We can carry on with the appointment on the mobile app as we did previously. So let's quickly open the Acumatica mobile app and scroll down to the appointment list. As you can see, another appointment has appeared. Upon clicking on it and reviewing the details, you can start your travel and process your own, and then complete your travel and process it like before. Once that is done, you can go ahead and complete the appointment, attach your customer's signature and whatnot, and then be able to generate the report with the customer signature. This report can be sent to customers via email or through social media platforms like WhatsApp or Skype and others. Now let's go back to the browser version, refresh the screen and complete the process after billing. So let's go over to the Actions tab, and on the drop-down menu, click on Run Billing. Keep your eye on the status on the left side. Right now, it's marked as completed, but we want it to say, Billed. Okay, so if you are faced with this type of error, go to the Quick Process tab at the top and select Run Billing under Appointment Actions. Now the results indicate that a new AR document has been created. But take a look at the status of this appointment, it is marked as Billed. However, let's still open this new document. As you can see, this invoice shows us our service order number, our target equipment, our appointment number and such. So what we can do now is release this invoice. Simply hover over the green checkmark beside Reports, which indicates that the operation has been completed. If we go back to the original appointment, we can see that the appointment has been billed. Now let's just open our case in order to close it. This will allow us to close this process. The moment we close the appointment, our service order automatically closes. So let's head over to the Other Information tab and look for the case number. The reference number is the case ID. Click on it. So now that the issue has been resolved, we can mark this case as closed. To do this, go to Actions and select Close. In the Details pop-up, simply select the Resolved box for reason. And this completes our second process and the third part of our Acumatica Service Management demo.